Hey guys, Joe here. So I recently had a company reach out to me and asked if I could review their sleep app. It's called Relax Melodies. Now, since my fiance and I have been using a sound machine for quite some time, of course the only answer to their question was, sure, why not? I mean, just as a note, I wanted to let you guys know I was not paid to do this review. However, they did give me a 1-year subscription to use the app, which makes sense because I wanted to get some good use out of it before I did a review on this. And so it's actually been a couple of weeks since I started using the app, every evening at least, and sometimes during the day, which we'll get into in a little bit. And all I can really say is it is pretty cool. And I mean, even our puppy enjoys it, right? So it comes with a 7-day free trial and it's only $39.99 a year after that. It's also available on iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Apple TV, and it even comes with some cool stickers for iMessage if you're into that stuff. So not only does it come with sleep sounds, but it also has a bunch of other things like sounds for meditation, which I have used a few times just to kind of relax and recharge. And I tell you, it definitely helps. Now, another cool part of the app is the stories. I've only used this once for a nap, but it reminds me of when my mom read books to me before bed when I was a little guy. The voices are really soothing, almost hypnotizing you as you listen to the stories. You slowly drift off to sleep feeling pretty refreshed when waking up. And that's not a lie at all. Now, the biggest feature I use the most is the composer, where there are tons of different sounds ranging from birds chirping, autumn sounds, and of course the traditional white noise sounds. Now, the really cool part is their new feature where you go in and you can create your own mix with up to 15 sounds. And Relax Melodies, they actually call it the Smart Mix. Now, you just simply press the lightning bolt button and the mix will adjust accordingly. So, for example, if I wanted to make it sound like I was kind of hanging out on a plane, and I wanted some soothing music and a little wind in the trees kind of sound, I could throw those three things together, simply press the Smart Mix button and let it do its thing. And it actually sounds really cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice and it works pretty good, to be honest. I know there's a bunch of other features the app has, but I will leave that for all of you to check out for yourself if you decide to download the app and use the 7-day free trial, which I recommend. So if you're in the market for a sound machine or looking to try something new to help you rest better, then I'd definitely give it a go. And speaking of which, it's my nap time now, so be sure to watch some more videos I left in this playlist right here. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you guys in the next one.